Understanding, having a meltdown, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, having a meltdown. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really help you in comprehending everyday conversations and expressions. Let's dive in. The phrase, having a meltdown, refers to a situation where someone becomes overwhelmed by emotions and might lose control over their actions or reactions. It's often used to describe extreme stress or emotional breakdowns. The emotions involved can range from anger to frustration, or even despair. Interestingly, the term meltdown originally comes from nuclear physics, referring to a severe and dangerous event in a nuclear reactor. In everyday language, it's a metaphorical use, suggesting that someone is experiencing a situation just as intense and uncontrollable as a nuclear meltdown. It's commonly used in both formal and informal settings. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. After losing his job, he had a meltdown. Here, it means the person was extremely upset or distressed. 2. The child had a meltdown in the store because she couldn't get the toy she wanted. This suggests a loss of temper or emotional control, common in children. There are several phrases with similar meanings. Losing one's cool. This means becoming angry or agitated. Breaking down. This generally refers to becoming emotionally distressed. Freaking out. This is a more informal way to say someone is reacting intensely to stress or surprise. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, having a meltdown, and its usage in the English language. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the emotions and situations they convey. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.